This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Less than bedroom, greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson. Gorgeous one-story CBS, impact glass doors and windows, 2022. Pool home with huge 3-car garage is privately nestled in Hammock Creek Estates on quiet street with lovely lake view. Many renovations make this home move-in ready. Attractive 42 kitchen cabinets and walk-in pantry. Main bedroom suite is super nice with designer tile work, on-trend vanities, tub for 2, spacious step-in shower with dual shower heads, bench seating, 2 closets and opens to the patio. The lush and inviting fenced-in backyard offers royal palm trees, a huge patio deck boasting newer pavers and resurfaced saltwater system pool. A true 4-bedroom home plus office/den, separate dining room, living room and family room makes this an ideal floor plan, Monticello IV model. This is a must-see and easy to show. For more information, review the details below or contact Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Less than bedroom, greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson at 772-485-2216.